Welcome to Andavar Metal Manufacturing, a young man's dream to be an achiever, born far away in the land of India. The company's founder and visionary, late Gopal Chetya Tanukodi, was born on 29th July 1936 in the village Pandukudi of Ramanath district in Tamil Nadu, India. He was the second child, born out of 5 siblings. Since from a tender age, he showed great determination to rise up to success in life and always was willing to take up any challenge and go the extra mile to achieve success. In May 1951, when the opportunity knocked on him to explore a new world, he quickly grabbed the opportunity and moved to Penang, Malaysia, alongside with his brother-in-law in a ship named SS Rajula. He was then only 15 years of age. Mr. Gopal initially started working in a grocery shop and then gained multiple experiences working in restaurants, coffee shop as a shop assistant and also distributing newspapers in the locality with his bicycle. Gradually, due to his dedication, intelligence and tireless hard work, he was awarded the PJM medal by the governor. Later in 1969, he became the leader of a paper distribution association. Even his rise thus far was not enough, hence came his venture into second-hand hardware trading in 1972, known as Shakti Murugan Hardwares. To further explore his entrepreneurial dreams, he moved to Kuala Lumpur from Penang and formed a company called Andavar Metals in 1979, together with 4 of his good friends. In 1987, the company had to be dissolved due to certain circumstances, and he started his own company. The new company was named Andavar Metals, established as a trading company with 7 employees in Sungai Besi. It gradually evolved into a full-fledged metal trading business. With continued growth, Mr. Gopal's beloved son, Mr. Shankar, joined the company as a sales manager in 2002 to further strengthen and expand the business. Mr. Shankar is a well-qualified individual with strong educational credentials, holding a master's in engineering. With Mr. Shankar's engineering knowledge, razor-sharp intelligence and business acumen, he managed to climb up the ladder to be the group managing director. 2006, Andavar Metals had to relocate to a Taman Sungai Besi, and the company became a private limited company, Andavar Metal Industry Sendirian Berhad. In 2007, business saw some exciting times when operations started growing from retail to wholesale. Andavar Metal began supplying directly to mills and end users, at the same time exporting to international markets. Between 2009 to 2011, Andavar Metals started to increase export capacity and focus on international export markets to countries such as Japan, USA, Europe, Korea, India, ASEAN countries and Middle East, which provided a good boost in terms of sales. With burgeoning sales and a clear vision that Andavar Metal products should stand as a seal of guaranteed quality in the industry, Andavar Metal strictly adhered to quality with no compromise. This strict adherence on quality eventually became the underlying strength. To support the increasing demand for their products, Andavar Metal expanded to a new bigger yard in Balakong. With high ambitions to grow the business to the next phase, Mr. Shankar in 2011 charted a business plan to open and explore into the lucrative industrial sector and with further expansion on the downstream manufacturing segment. In 2012, with a clear vision to execute the plan, a land in Baranang, Selangor was acquired to set up the first manufacturing unit of the group. The Bhumi Puja was performed in July 2013 to kickstart the dream of emerging as a manufacturing company. Construction of the plant started on 12th May 2014, and what was just a dream on a great man's mind and a drawing board sketch started shaping into reality. With tremendous effort, the plant successfully began its first trial production in October 2016. Within this great-looking manufacturing setup, The first step involved in the manufacturing process of the aluminium scrap would be to sort it with the help of various equipments and metal analyzers to detect the unwanted and out of specification materials before proceeding to process only the required materials. The ingot manufacturing plant uses highly skilled individuals and complex equipments like optical emission spectrometer (OES) to eliminate any contamination present in the incoming raw materials. The sorted and segregated scrap will then be processed further to make it suitable for melting in the furnace. Following this, the material will then be charged into the furnace using drying process and finally sent to the melting furnace using different conveyors. Consequently, the molten metal will be analyzed and necessary elements will be added to bring the quality as per international standards and customer requirements. Finally, it will be cast out into ingots using water-cooled ingot casting machines. The ingots will be later stacked and packed after final inspection. The packed ingots will be shipped to different destinations as per customer requirements. To be on par with international standards in terms of quality and recognition, and to meet and cater to renowned customers such as Honda, Toyota, Proton, Perodua, Kia and NASA, Andavar Metals managed to successfully secure the highly coveted ISO 9001-2015 certification. This indeed was a proud moment with a huge sense of fulfillment and achievement to the visionary man behind, for which he is bountifully thankful to the whole team of management, employees, institutions, extended family members, suppliers, and all those who directly or indirectly contributed to its achievement. The effort and sacrifices, noticed and unnoticed, that made this possible. For this, the management is ever grateful, with no words to fully express their gratitude. The management would like to take this opportunity to convey its sincere thanks to banks, leasing companies, government bodies, other supporters, without whose support this project wouldn't be where it is today. Thank you very much. Andavar Metals now aims to further expand to establish and start new projects, downstream projects, aluminium billet casting and aluminium die casting facility to support its organizational growth. Billets and die casting products are used in various industries such as infrastructure, aerospace, automobile, chemical, plumbing and electronics. Establish copper ingot manufacturing facility to recycle various copper scraps and produce material conforming to international standards. Establish brass ingot manufacturing facility to meet the demanding requirement. Giving back to society has always been at the core value of Andavar Metals since the beginning as part of our corporate social responsibility initiative towards uplifting the community, underpinning hopes of the future. Today, with all your years of support and blessings, we are celebrating the inauguration of the first manufacturing unit of Andavar Metal Group. The dream has come to a reality. It is your success.